Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone 13 mini, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device using iTunes. So to get started, either using Windows you'll need to download iTunes, and using Mac you just need to open up your Finder. And that's the first requirement. The second one would be a cable so you can plug in your device. So I'm going to do that right now. There we go. And once it's connected on Windows side, it will show up in iTunes right over here, and on Mac it will show up in Finder. Just find the iPhone somewhere there and go to it, and from here simply select Restore iPhone. Choose to either back it up or don't back up, it's completely up to you, and restore. Now this for you will start the download of iOS, the newest version, at which point once it's completed it will go to extracting. I have already pre-downloaded it before, so it's already going to extracting, and then it's going to prepare the device and install it. So kind of shortening the video, but yeah, right now it's basically all on autopilot, and just let it run. Once it's finished you will then be greeted with the setup screen. So yeah, I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.